Hey, beautiful people out there. This is me, Aditya Pramanik from College Canteen, and we are again here.
Yeah. Hello guys, I am Akhil Singh Rajput and we are back today.
Hi guys, this is Anubhav Gupta.
Hi guys, this is Alok.
Hi Som.
Are you Tekula?
Hola guys, this is Manish.
Yeah.
Hello, Canteen family.
Yeah, Pranjal.
Hello guys, I am Rishabh Akagure. You always.
yeah. Yeah, we remember that.
Yeah,
Yeah, I am. You think
We know
right?
that
I am
guy.
friend of
They are
Anurag.
they are familiar they are familiar with you. I will link the previous I will
Video.
give previous videos link in
Yeah.
the description. They will see from there.
Definitely.
Yeah. Hello everyone, Somajit Shah this side.
Okay.
So we have today.
Why
We
you
have
are-
new guest here. One
Yeah.
new guest.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Who is Samajit Saha. So Samajit, can we have your introduction? Like some.
Akhil, can you
Something about
start
the-
your clock?
I haven't started. Let me start.
Yeah,
Yeah.
okay. That's good.
Okay, so starting from Samajit, like people are viewers want to know something about you. Like, who you
Yeah, and, what's happened to me last night? I'm on YouTube and searching random things. Then I see something like canteen. Then I find you people are live with some topic and then discuss on that.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
I put a interested on that
Yeah.
and put a message there.
Okay, thank you very
Thank
much
you,
for
thank you so
contacting
much,
us.
sir.
It is the sole aim of the college canteen team to bring and connect most of the people. So thank you,
Yeah.
Somajit, for connecting with us.
Thank you so much.
Yeah,
It's my pleasure.
Yeah, welcome, always welcome.
So let's start by giving a chance to speak to our very much best guest, Manish Gupta.
Yeah,
The jolly guy here.
yeah. So, guys, we are have a pre-discussion. What should we discuss today
Yeah,
on this session? We are thinking about many topics. Like Akhil said, we discuss about gaming. Aditya say about something. Somajit also said about stock market, and others say Alok said we should discuss about tsunami.
yeah,
Like that things. So
Okay.
we have come to a conclusion. We should first discuss about China.
yeah. Your analytical and reasoning skills are great. Like
Yeah,
you consider the whole thing in a single word.
China. Yeah,
Yeah,
the whole reason for we are discussing about right now is China.
The sole reason,
It's
right?
China. Yeah,
That's why we are here in this meet. That's why we are here in this
the meet
live.
so Chinese people who are listening,
to this meet.
First of all, you need a translator.
yeah,
I think we
Everyone doesn't understand Mandarin,
Three.
and everyone doesn't speak Mandarin. So get a translator first, and
Yeah.
and after that, get our things
should
translated,
listen.
and you will get to. You will be so much glad to know all these things that we are discussing today.
How great you are. You should listen to this. So we are talking about what China should do. Yeah. So because we are here also because of China,
yeah,
because of the virus. They spread. So uh, today I was searching for some videos about China and searching some content about China. So I come across a video about China which is posted by Lallan Top.
yeah,
Okay.
Which give us some insight about how the COVID-19 virus was spread. It was something about something mind. Some people caught the virus, then come to a lab. Then lab people starting researching on it, and then they developed a much worse virus. Then it leaked on the lab. That happened and it spread throughout the China, Wuhan basically. Yeah.
Yeah.
Basically, I'm thinking about things, and Akhil say, could you give us some insight about that?
I was not inside the lab. How could I give some insights about it? Like I too well listened that theory about the emerging of virus from the lab. I only knew about that much that it grew inside the lab, and also some theories about it is used as a biological weapon and all that stuff, and it is spread to
Yeah,
the whole world. I know that much only. I don't have interest in this virus to how that it emerged.
yeah,
I think basically there were two viruses, or it's actually a family of virus, I guess. Some SARS,
exactly.
something like that. SARS COVID. Its
Yeah,
actually full name is
in
SARS COVID.
2002.
2002 or 3, yeah,
yeah,
right.
yeah.
Yeah.
It's 2003.
So it belongs to that
2 or 3.
family only, that SARS thing.
Yeah,
Uh, so so
Yeah.
basically that's how it happened. Like it got leaked from the lab, one of the labs in Wuhan. That's
Yeah.
I guess.
Actually, it is we should like discuss about the effects of the virus, and
yeah,
it has spreaded in China, and China is now completely healthy. I don't know it is
Yeah.
true or they are showing that, but they are
Yeah.
doing very pretty much fine, and we are suffering like hell.
Definitely.
So let's
Yeah.
come to
Because of them, we are suffering like a.
yeah other people too. So let's come to Anubhav, Rishabh, Pranjal,
Somit-
and Somajit. Yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah. Give us some views about the virus.
So like, what do you think? Like your views or your perception about this virus, its
Your views
consequences.
about the
and-
virus or about the China.
Hmm.
Yeah. Just don't abuse and you can do everything.
Yeah, definitely.
I think it is a pre-planned biological war.
Yeah. I think this should be our, thumbnail.
Biological
Yeah,
war.
I think
Yeah,
it
yeah.
is.
2020 2019.
Yeah.
Something like that.
In 2016, I think
16.
Bill Gates tell about this in one interview.
Okay.
Hmm. Yeah.
That's so much deep.
Yeah, like he analyzes market and all that stuff, and he knows how the actually world is flowing. So you have to
Right.
have some insights
Yeah.
about it.
He
2015.
he told that in next 10 year 20 year biological war will be happen,
Okay.
just like and world war of armies stuff guns, this will never happen in next century.
Oh.
Yeah.
Or it's all about the GDP of the country, how we
Yeah.
manipulate. We all know that
Yeah.
rivalry of the China and USA.
So yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah.
always.
Yeah.
When USA when
They also
USA
started
say
a trade
China have to give punishment about the coronavirus, then the China reply with, if this happens, then USA have to also give punishment about HIV/AIDS in 2008 and 9.
Yeah, actually.
Yeah.
HIV/AIDS is come from the USA.
Yeah.
Oh.
I listened that it was came from a monkey. Yeah.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
Some
right.
kind of
Monkey.
Experimental.
Monkey bacterial.
Oh,
Okay. So it was some kind of experiment, or was it just happened to?
No. What is the truth? No one know.
yeah.
Oh,
Only CIA.
It's same as like COVID virus. We
But
don't know
it is
anything
not
about
experiment.
government
It is not experiment. It is a pre-planned process.
Yeah.
How to
Okay,
destroy
I
the
believe.
all country.
Oh,
In 20, we all know about coronavirus when in maybe February or March.
Yeah, in March actually.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
March, February.
Yeah.
In
We come to a
2020. In 2020.
2020, yeah.
Yeah.
But COVID-19
Yeah,
first case
2020.
was November
Yeah,
19.
November 19.
19.
So his name is
November 19.
COVID-19.
One.
Right.
One doctor opposed that and he was killed by
Yeah, he killed. He was killed.
his post on social media are so viral about this. I think if this is the experiment and this is the mistake by the China, all thing he want to stop. He tell the WHO about this.
Yeah. That
Yeah.
was too very much controversial
basically-
at that time.
In first 6 9 month, he opposed that this is not a spreadable
Yeah.
disease.
Yeah. WHO also supported that.
Huh.
Yeah.
And WHO keep quiet about the whole virus thing.
The whole
That's why also
country,
the spiral.
except China, the GDP will be headed up, but China will rise by 7%, I think, 7 point something.
Yeah.
That is
Yeah,
the main
their
motto
export was
in the
also
Bible.
But
increased.
and it is also true that he have formula to how to cure this disease,
Yeah,
Yeah,
I
yeah,
think
yeah.
like
but he
they,
never want to be revealed.
like
Yeah.
they developed both the things simultaneously,
Huh.
and they just acted to being affected by the virus too, so that
Huh.
they are all it was an accident, and they treated their person everyone, and
There
now
is
it's fine.
one news
Yeah.
also.
Mhm.
There is two city, I think, the two famous city. Yes, the distance between two cities about 100 kilometer, right. One city have
Yeah,
a
yeah, yeah.
whole city is spread out by the COVID-19, but other city will not
Yeah.
affected by single one.
Yeah, Rishabh, you are talking about the mine thing, na?
Huh.
It started in the mine, the workers got
Huh.
affected, but the virus was spread in 1,500 kilometers away from the mine in Wuhan. Yeah.
One, but in Hong Kong, Hong Kong, just like I just a news, not true, false does not means just a viral news. I- But it's true that regulation. But what is the truth behind this? No one know.
Yeah,
Right.
Yeah.
But
Basically,
COVID-19.
articles are also published
Huh.
about that thing. You are
Basically, these are
That
just
is also
assumptions
true.
we know.
no. Aditya, that is not assumption. Articles are published. The paper was published by some virologist of China that
Okay.
there was a kind of virus that people are affected from that mine, copper mine, maybe something copper mine.
Mhm.
They are cleaning the slag of that copper mine and they got affected from that virus, and
Okay.
they took the sample and developed the sample. So
okay.
it may be a lab leak thing. I'm not sure about that lab leak, or maybe mainly China tell about that it got transmitted from bat.
Mhm.
Basically.
Yeah, like
That's the
they
thing.
are expert in making copy of anything. Like they have made
Yeah, yeah.
copy and clone of that there with the genetic material of the virus. So let's come
Right,
to our
right,
boy
yeah.
Pranjal, and after that, Anand, if he can speak.
They were actually quite from
Actually, I want to discuss about the economy, how pandemic affects the economy of different countries.
Yeah.
Most of the countries are affected by this pandemic, and their economy will rise. I think their economy strictly down
Yeah,
is
it
down,
is
right?
Yeah,
But
yeah. It's
China
down.
at that time, China will. I think they have some growth in their economy. I think 10% or 20% growth in
Yeah,
their
you're right,
whole
Anubhav.
economy.
Anubhav.
Yeah.
Exactly. So how they?
You are right on both. Their
how-
export was also increased.
Yeah, exactly. That means they are already prepared for that
Whole
from that
thing.
situation, right? So they have some prevention that
Yeah,
that
because
they are
people
following.
without
Yeah,
eyes,
yeah.
how can people without eyes can survive this much?
Exactly.
Yeah. They knew the whole thing from the starting, so they have prepared.
And at that time they offer India to they offer India help because they want to trade with India, like
Yeah.
they
Yeah.
want to export their medicines and equipments and also vaccines.
Yeah,
So
actually,
that-
they knew the world, like the data of India and other countries. I
Exactly.
think about the hospitality and all the other stuff.
Yeah.
Like actually, at least they knew about India, man. So it was the easiest way to
Yeah.
attack India, and you know that things like capturing some parts of India in the Leh Ladakh
Actually,
part.
Then chance.
Actually, there's a rule, attacking rule that China follows. I
Yeah,
don't
exactly.
remember the name of that rule, but it's like you have to just get in. You have to get a soft part from that country that you want to attack, like some treaty or something, and after that you have a portal to enter that country. You got a portal to enter that country,
Yeah.
and from inside you will just destroy the whole system, or you try to overpower them
Okay.
by helping the host country or something like that.
Yeah.
So this
Sri
is
Lanka
actually. So yeah, Sri
Sri
Lanka
Lanka has
suffered
yeah.
from that.
Yeah.
Sri Lanka has a good example of that thing you are saying.
Exactly.
Basically, they offer to make a port and they
I
now
knew about that.
join the military there.
Abhi and you shared the same news in their channel, I think.
Yeah, Khan sir
Yeah.
too shared that thing. Khan sir actually shared this thing.
Okay.
So let's
So
coming
that's
to Pranjal, like what are the views of Pranjal on the China and the war and everything?
yes.
So regularly I take buffering time, so I'm
Will you take now or you will say speak?
no, I speak.
Okay.
So I start from that this COVID or we can say Corona is a well planned genetic that RNA virus.
Yeah.
So actually, this HIV and this corona, it is made by human or we can say scientists, because this single RNA means this single RNA this is not made by any it.
Like they are not natural.
Natural.
They can't
Yeah,
be.
Natural, they are human made.
This, human made. So this is well planned, and for by this corona pandemic, we suffer a lot, like economic and all, and
Yeah.
we said that in this China, for why China spread this virus, because if you look our country earlier, we are like
Dominate.
you
We
can
were growing
we can say
at that time.
dominate, or
We are
Yeah,
growing,
we
we
are
are developing.
developing.
like
Developing.
India look for Akhand Bharat,
Yeah.
like that China look for Akhand China, like that.
Yeah.
So
Whole China policy. You are
if
saying
you
about.
see if you see like Sudan area, if we Indians go in Sudan areas, you see that there is a two highways. One highway which only China can rule in that highway. We not Indians and some countries we not go on that highway, because it what China do that he gives some money as a loan, and he gives that much loan that we cannot pay her loan. It
Our
was
loan at a time.
uh,
Yeah.
so they captured that area
Yeah.
and they ruled like UN and USA do that earlier. So he also thought that
Yes.
why I cannot do, because in this area like from India to China, like Myanmar and this line. Exactly, this line we have oil and many things in future.
Yeah.
So he wants to capture this all area.
Yeah.
So basically, he is very well planned, because in China
Yeah.
older people population is
More.
much
Yeah. More.
more.
Exactly.
more.
Yeah.
So they thought because that's maybe, and in it, and we don't want to talk other country of economic and This all because our country, we all know that we are a 130 crore populations,
Yeah,
around
yeah,
130 crore. So
yeah. So
we compare if we have 130 crore and we compare to other countries, this is a very, not comparable for that
Yeah, yeah.
because we
yeah,
have
yeah,
130
yeah,
crore people and so
yeah,
this
yeah,
all
yeah.
if we have only some crores of population then
Yeah.
we are earlier like Israel we are earlier
Get vaccinated and all.
yeah
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
so we don't need
We are
now
very volatile.
yeah
saying.
right
So let's come to Alok and then Swamiji, who will speak.
Basically, Pranjal is saying about the China loan lending policies.
Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly. I know.
yeah exactly
Yeah, yeah.
if you see
Loan
that
lending strategy of
Okay, so speak, Alok.
yeah no.
Let's come to you. We'll come to you again, Pranjal.
yeah,
yeah
yeah. We will discuss about that topic of loan lending.
yeah we have time
Yeah, we have a lot of time.
Yeah. Alok,
Yes, hello.
hello
you want to say something? I'm good.
I think he's late.
Continue. Yes. He is saying, guys, please
Bengali,
continue.
Bengali. Sorry, I read it Gali country.
Yeah, yeah. Swamiji, Swamiji, can
Yeah, hello everyone.
Yeah, yeah. Hi,
We're
hi,
talking about China.
Yeah, yeah.
We
Yeah.
keep our mind one thing that it's at the world most GDP right now, and with a population of 1.4 billion people, which is huge in a area of.
Why are not you showing your face? Do you think that China is
Oh, sorry. No. I don't affect of China. I have
will make a monkey on your head.
Yeah, I stay in West Bengal and what the fuck
obviously
is
he is the
China?
highest GDP country because
You stay in West Bengal or Bangladesh?
No. I am from West Bengal, not Bangladesh.
Oh.
Bangladesh is East
Yeah,
Bengal.
yeah, yeah.
Okay. So
Yeah.
let's start.
Yes, what I'm talking, the people are very much intelligent, who are in this time where you can't use weapon in world war, so they use biological weapon like coronavirus. As we also the
China always
documentary that
want
is
to become in
published.
superpower.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly.
They have a
In
very
13th
long
century,
invasion about that.
Black Red virus.
Okay.
No,
He has
every
been
virus
black-
is originated from China.
Black Red virus in Europe, and half of the Europe will be die in 5 years.
Yeah.
Okay. That's
I'm
terrific.
lucky that I haven't born.
Yeah, exactly. Or 700 years
You are the
before.
Doesn't matter.
We are more happier that we are born in the time of coronavirus.
Why,
All colleges, all colleges are off. You don't go to the college,
Yeah,
and
and
you're getting the
job
marks
option
and
will
all.
Yeah.
also be shut down for us.
It is very bad, like
That is why we are learning
Bad
stuff.
situation.
Right?
Yeah.
Everything has its own escape, right?
like
Yeah,
you are
as
learning
Modi ji
stock
says,
and
you have to be
everything,
entrepreneur.
you know, like your stock and all that things run on the device, you use and
He?
the server and all that stuff.
One question to Mujib.
What?
Why you choose stock market?
Why we use stock market?
You,
Why
not
you
me,
choose-
you.
Why am you? Because it gives you money.
No. It's
First you
take
have to
money
give you
also.
money. First you have to give money, then it will.
It's also take money, bro.
Yeah.
I know it's take money, but
Stock market is just I see as bigger fish
listen.
eat
There is
small fish.
there is nothing for free, So if you give them money, they will give you back money if you are eligible for it.
Okay.
Wow. That's
Yeah.
a great quote.
What do you think that why Power Bank delivered? Why?
What?
Why some other stuff apps there are apps in the Play Store which are for
I think you are Grand Master of Power
Look,
Bank.
No, this is completely fake news. I am not connected with Power Bank anymore. The app has been closed
Anymore.
last.
But all people say
But you are connected.
make full people by power bank.
No,
And in
I
UK
don't
many
make them full.
ones.
I just told them I will have the right for 1 month. If their money will fall, then I will give them money, and the app stick for 1 month. They will have the profit.
I have video too.
I have photo also.
Yeah, I
So,
have
The app stick
You
for
have
1
proof.
month.
You have proof.
Yeah, I have
pro
proof.
businessman.
Nobody can tell me
Never
anything.
estimate them.
So let's come
Yeah.
to your views on China. Something.
Actually, we have very much time left with us. 6 minutes, something like that.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So we have to
let's
make it
talk
more.
about China. Those they use the biological weapons to destroy the whole world. I don't think in this era China is a good. Everyone could kill them. Let's attack them with nuclear weapons.
We can't do that, Somajit.
Rishabh, you unmute
Victor.
yourself. I have muted you because there was some noise coming from you.
Okay,
Now speak. Now you can speak.
that's what all I want to speak. Let's
Respect your
put a
views.
nuclear. Let's put a nuclear bomb again on Hiroshima and Nagasaki.
They are
We
in
can't do
Japan.
that, Somajit.
They
There
are
is a
in
treaty
Japan.
among countries.
Okay.
No, we are
You-
soft.
You will break the treaty, okay. But why you are throwing bombs in Japan, bro? They make absolute best anime.
Sorry. I don't want to. I just want
There's a good country.
the example of Hiroshima and Nagasaki.
Nagasaki.
Nagasaki. Nagasaki. Nagasaki.
Nagasaki.
So Aditya is quiet for some very much long time.
Yeah.
He's chatting with his girlfriend.
No, actually, I'm observing you guys. Like I'm listening to you guys.
Are you dealing with China? You are a
No.
guy.
If you
Are you busy with your
Adi?
class?
I'm
No.
supporting Adi.
If you
What's
consider
your
watching
views?
an ad is giving if generating revenue for China, then yeah, it's basically we all are.
Basically, China used the whole pandemic
Yeah,
thing.
that's nice, man. Like they sell phones very cheap and they sell ads all the time.
Yep,
Yeah,
that's how they make generate revenue.
always. If we are talking about this, they will revenue from this also.
It is
No.
coming to us.
No, Google is not taking all. I think China app also search in Google.
Google is actually a good company. Google just uses our data and trains their model, and don't do anything with our data.
I think Google is banned in China.
Yeah, it is not available in
It
China.
is banned.
They did the
Google, Facebook,
Google, YouTube,
Twitter,
Facebook,
Baidu,
everything is banned in
Baidu.
China.
Yeah.
everything internationally, and which can influence internationally.
They have a
Oh,
Yeah.
no,
It's
all are the product
actually-
of USA, so it is banned.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
And
Yeah.
from their own
They are
product,
going. There is a
from
trade
their
war
local
going on.
products, they earn a lot.
Yeah, their local products are
Exactly.
famous in the China. They have
Like
China-
we use WhatsApp.
China and India have a benefit that they have a huge population,
yeah.
Yeah, 1.4
more than the whole
billion.
Europe, I think.
Actually, it can make a whole lot of difference in any.
It have
They make benefit of that.
Rishabh, China is not located in Europe. It is in East Asia.
No, bro.
I am comparing, bro.
He's comparing
This is comparing
whole
Somajit.
Europe with China.
population. It's
Oh,
comparing.
yeah. Oh, okay.
Why you
Sorry,
bro,
I-
like why
whole
you catch
Europe
the
is not
flying
comparing.
arrow? Why you catch the flying arrow?
I think Alok haven't said a word since the beginning, so
Alok have a tough condition. Please understand it.
Yeah, he's talking. He's using telepathy.
Yeah.
okay,
What? Sorry.
no problem.
He's
Sorry?
using
Telepathy with Manish, I can see like the
Yeah,
the
Alok.
laptop and all.
Yeah.
Alok, can you use sign language? I try to
yeah,
translate
he's
it.
using sign language. We are using maybe
Let's go, Alok. Start with it.
Bro,
Give me
why
the fuck
are you making hand signs like it can ninja technique like you are making hands.
Like Naruto.
Yeah, you are
Like
making
this.
something Naruto like.
1 minute, I can't see Alok. Alok, can you just turn your mic on and say one word, then you will come forward to my screen, please. Oh no! Oh no, you are visible.
What happened, Alok?
I think they are like his family.
Sorry,
is-
Alok, I can't
Yeah.
say anything. Just watching your teeth, please.
Bro, don't like there's only 1 minute left and you are talking shit.
Adi just conclude the whole
So we have to just conclude this session, I
Like
think.
Pranjal,
Yeah.
Pranjal is starting to say some words about 100 years and all that facts.
Yeah.
Yeah, what?
In 1918, a Spanish fellow.
Yeah, Spanish film.
Spanish.
Yeah.
too. Okay.
So Pranjal, will you conclude and say what are you thinking?
Actually, Sahaji, marks and money not matter in good life.
And Sahaji, you.
If money not matter in your good life, then there are no sad people in the road.
It's better to cry in Lamborghini than like what is the thing?
Then a taxi.
Yeah. Money always matters.
You are billionaire today
Just seen the movie of
in this night. And you
Wolf
are
of the Wall Street.
in-
Wolf of the Wall
Wolf of the
Street.
Wall
First,
Hmm.
Leonardo DiCaprio. So,
Yeah, the first dialogue is that why money is important. Adi, I think you watch that movie.
I love Leonardo DiCaprio. Inception.
Yeah. You want to
Shutter
sell the
Island.
pen?
He's amazing.
He's just incredible. We don't have enough words to describe him. Just incredible.
Titanic.
So time is up, and what is the thing like? What is the first dialogue of the movie?
Tomorrow you
Let's
are-
say that and we will end it.
Today you become billionaire and tomorrow you are with Jamraj.
Yeah, it is absolutely true. Like like you should earn money, but money should not like overpower you. That is the most important thing. Like you control money, money should not control.
Definitely. I think we should end with that note only.
Yeah,
No,
otherwise this session
no,
will go
Pranjal,
like-
tell me something. Ek second.
Let me
Pranjal,
let me switch off the
if I'm not,
let me
if I'm
switch
not
off the-
being the
bro,
billionaire, then
bro,
I'm
let-
also can be with Yamraj tomorrow.
let me stop recording and then we will do it after that.
Yeah.
So it's a wrap for today, guys.